Welcome back to Joe's Galley. Well, we've got a great one for you this week. You know how you go to the restaurant, you order yourself some of that salt and pepper squid, and it comes out, and the squid, you can't taste the squid, you can only taste the coating. Mate, well, you've come to the right place because we're going to show you how to do it properly. First of all, grab yourself a sherbet. We'll go and get a squid, and we'll get going. Oh, and by the way, we'll announce the winner of our competition today. Good on ya. Let's go and grab a squid. First off, you want to dry roast some peppercorns in a small fry pan. Give them a bit of a shake as you're roasting and wait till they just start to smoke. Once it starts to smoke, grab yourself a mortar and pestle, pour them in. Time to grab some salt, some rock salt. Today I'm using Himalayan salt, rock salt. Give it all a good grind together. Work it in real well into a bit of a powder. Time to grab your squid. Now what you want to do is cut it diagonally one way. And then cut it diagonally the opposite. So they're little diamonds. Cutting it in this diamond shape has four purposes. One, tenderises the squid. Two, it allows the salt and pepper to get right into those cracks. It assists in the cooking and it looks shit hot. And then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now it's time to grab yourself some of the salt and pepper mix and spread all over your squid. Once you've sprinkled a decent amount of salt and pepper over the squid, take it off the paper towel, massage it in. Grab yourself a cup of plain flour and a cup of cornflour. I use cornflour today because that's what I had in the cupboard, but you can use potato flour. I like potato flour. And then about 3 tablespoons of chicken stock powder. now it's time to fry your squid up in some vegetable oil. Drop them in, cook them up, give them a little bit of stir, cook them for 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want to overdo them and you don't want to underdo them. What you want to do now is cut up some chilli, some spring onion, some garlic and some ginger. Put it into a wok with a splash of oil and give it a good fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's been frying for a couple of minutes, return your squid back to the mix. Okay, this is the part I've been waiting for. You can taste this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Fuck, it smells good, man. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I mean, my mouth's dripping. Give it a go! I love you all. Catch you on the next one. Rightio, it's competition time. We're in this great book. We got all the names in the hat and we're gonna mix them all up, mix them all up, mix them all up and grab one out. And it's someone called Kirk. All right, Kirk, go to my Joe's Galley Instagram account. That's Joe's_Galley. And direct message me with your details and I'll be able to get you this book, mate. Good on you. Congratulations, what a prize. And if you already got a copy, gift it on for someone else. Thanks very much. I love you all.